Eris Lifesciences partners with Natco Pharma to launch semaglutide in India. Eris Lifesciences has announced a strategic partnership with Natco Pharma Limited for the commercialization of semaglutide in India. This collaboration marks a significant move in strengthening Eris's leadership in the diabetes and metabolic care segment, one of the fastest growing therapeutic areas in the country. Semaglutide is a GLP-1 receptor agonist that has gained global recognition as a transformative therapy for the management of type 2 diabetes and chronic weight management. It has demonstrated strong clinical outcomes in glycemic control and meaningful weight reduction, positioning it as a next-generation therapy in metabolic care. In India, the burden of diabetes continues to rise sharply, alongside increasing awareness around obesity and lifestyle-related disorders. As the diabetic population expands and treatment expectations evolve, advanced therapies such as GLP-1 receptor agonists are emerging as high-growth opportunities within the pharmaceutical landscape. Under the partnership, Natco Pharma has secured approval from the Central Drug Standard Control Organization to manufacture generic semaglutide for the Indian market. The product launch is expected in March 2026. This regulatory milestone clears the pathway for commercial rollout and positions both companies to tap into a large and underserved patient base. The collaboration combines complementary strengths. Eris brings a strong branded formulations franchise, deep engagement with endocrinologists, diabetologists and physicians, and an established commercial infrastructure in chronic therapies. Natco contributes its expertise in manufacturing and regulatory capabilities, particularly in complex formulations. For Eris, the addition of semaglutide further strengthens its diabetology portfolio and enhances its participation in advanced metabolic treatments. Over the years, the company has built a scalable presence in diabetes care, supported by specialist reach and focused marketing strategies. The inclusion of semaglutide is expected to deepen its positioning in high-value, innovation-driven therapies. Management highlighted that semaglutide represents one of the most significant therapeutic advances in metabolic care in recent years. The partnership reflects a long-term strategic intent to capture growth in the GLP-1 segment and reinforce Eris's standing as a leading player in chronic therapies. From a market perspective, the entry of generic semaglutide could improve affordability and accessibility for Indian patients. As cost remains a key barrier in advanced diabetes treatments, wider availability may drive faster adoption and broader treatment penetration. Overall, the Eris-Natco partnership signals a focused push into next-generation metabolic therapies. With regulatory approval secured and launch timelines defined, the collaboration is positioned to play a meaningful role in shaping India's evolving diabetes treatment landscape while contributing to long-term growth for both companies. If you found this news useful, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and stay connected for more timely stock market news and company updates.